receivers, pilots, and stations are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings, affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location.
Jesus.
This variability is normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, but occurs when you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.
You tell me why.
Here is your forecast for Dixon and surrounding communities. For rest of today, partly cloudy through early afternoon, then becoming mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms late in the morning, then scattered showers.
You tell me why this thing went off for a year and a half. Like, of course you got the green light, but now the stupid thing kept going and going until I finally got it to shut up, or it shut up on its own. I don't know what happened, but this is my new radio setup. I'm down here in my new basement space, NHL highlights, but this is my new setup. And my 7th radio is right over there. You can see it. But yeah, that's it.